All right, hey guys. So I just got done doing this video, right? I just acquired this, right? You should have seen the last video. It's just should have seen it. I just got this. Go check it out. So after I got that, this came in. This giant box of slabs. All right, so this is not a modern submission. This is a unique submission. This is all low grade stuff. Like, there's gonna be some cool books in here, but don't expect the 9.8 type of deal. This is not your average submission. This is the first books when I used to do basement cleaning. When I used to remove like stuff from basement, these books were in a basement. And I got to keep them for a long time. And then I didn't do anything with them until a couple years ago. I got into this hobby. So I was just like, you know what? Let me clean them real quick. You know, let me do something with these. There is a book in here that I really want because it needs to go next to another book that's a grail of mine. But you'll see. It's a very let's leave that one for last. I kind of saw the graded. Oh man. All right. It's a very type of low grade, better than no grade type of submission here because these were at no cost. These books that you're about to see were free, pressed, and clean, and found for free. There's nothing, just paying for the grading. Legit paying for the grading. It's what these books. And the first book is, oh shoot, dude, oh, yes. I wanted to get at least not a 0.5 on this. And for you, this is like the third appearance of Doctor Doom that I did not put any money into. So whoever has a Doctor Doom, you know, below 5 appearance is going to get it graded. And this is it. Oh my God. And the fact that this up here looks brand new to me, like this page is messed up, right? But look at these colors right here. It looks brand freaking new to me. So it's a 1.8. Stan Lee and Jack Kirby appearance in story. Doctor Doom appearance. Invisible Girl pinup. A 1.8. Third appearance of Doctor Doom, you could say. Holy. So this is the type of submission that it is. Where we're getting a free third appearance of Doctor Doom for whatever a 1.8 costs goes for. That's what, let's just say this book is 300. Well, I just profited 300. So first book, there's like, I believe like 9 books in here also. So that's the first book. All right, second book. Oh my, let's, a 3.0. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little backstory on this book. I found this book when I got into the hobby in 2017, and I wanted to pick it up because look at that stamp, dude. Look at that stamp. It's like, this is apparently, what is it? Doctor Strange first cover appearance, I believe. But the other thing was, I just wanted graded because of that stamp right freaking there, dude. Also, I'm a big Thing fan. And then he's just on like a back-to-back cover. So a 3.0. Strange Tales, what is it? 118. A 3.0. Hey, man, These are low grade. Better than no grade. Fantastic Four and Wizard appearance. I guess that's how they're going to put it. So 2 books down. I actually see a little bit of the grades. I could see the grades, but I'm not looking at the names. All right. Oh, a 3.0. Let's go. Okay, so I wasn't supposed to grab this one, but we did. A 3.0 is going next to my Marvel Spotlight 5. Finally, I got this book graded. Holy snaps. The first appearance of Son of Satan, Damien's Hellstorm in cameo. Story continued from Marvel Spotlight 11. Woo! Alright, so this is a 3.0. Low grade better than no grade. Bam! Up. This is... These are economy tiers. It took a month. 1 month to get them back. So that's also why I'm excited. People were like, good luck. They'll be back in like 8 months. 1 month. It took 1 month. Oh, this is a good book. This is, for me to have this book at a 1.5, I feel like, hey, it's one of the first 5, I believe, Incredible Hulk series. And dude, I'm amazed that I have this book for free. Nothing put into it, just grading costs. Origin of Hulk retold. And yes, it's is effed up here. But who cares? When you didn't pay for these books, I want them for myself. These aren't going anywhere. Like, I'm never going to get rid of this book. Like, what the heck? There's a story behind this book. I found it when I was like 13, 14 for free. Oh, man. I thought... Oh. Oh, this is funny because it's like, who is it? Third Silver Age Submariner appearance. So this is his third appearance for free. And it's a 1.8. It's a 1.8. Look at the back. These books are never... I got keys, but they're low grade. I'm happy with them low grades. So this is his third appearance. Dude. Oh, snap. This came back as a 6.5. I got this graded because UK version. I bought this book overseas. This was the first book that I bought overseas. This right here. And I love it because of the red cover. Bro, red cover, it looks like a 9.8. In my eyes, Marvel Spotlight 8. First appearance of Snake Dance Ghost Rider also. Look at that pens, bro. Look at that pens. A 6.4, brother. All right, we got 3 books left. We got 3 books. Ooh, a 5.5. This is a very early Silver Surfer appearance. And I bought this in my 1 hour drive local. You could say it's a 1 hour drive away from me. Local comic book shop. And yes, indeed, at a 5.5. Ooh. Bro, I love me a red cover. I don't care what anybody says. Silver Surfer and Galactus appearance. $30 into it. I don't care. I don't care. Half of these are personal reasons. I got 2 books left. And these books, people were saying, oh, this is the freaking X-Men. This is like the origin of Beast, second appearance of the Sentinels and Master. Oh, dude. My comic book shop had this as like a 2.5, actually. And it came back as a 3.5. So, that's a W on my book, I believe, because I pressed it. I pressed it, but bang. For me to have the goals of mine for the X-Men, I'm not going to collect them all, right? But I want the first appearance and the origin stories of my favorite character, like Nightcrawler and Beast. And others, you know, but we're not going to get into that. Bam! 3.5. We got a lot of books here, dude. These are a lot of books. Low grade better than no grade. And I don't really know what the last book is. I see the grade, but... Oh! This was the only book that I kept out of these. I will just show it to you. Spider-Man lot that I kept. I had like a lot of Spider-Man stuff because it all came from the basement for free. They were throwing it out when I was like 14, so I kept it. And then this was in there, and I liked this because a lot. I kept this one because it was like, it popped at me. It popped at me. But it's also Origin of Spider-Man retold, Beetle appearance. And I also like that Aunt May is like getting kidnapped in this cover, basically. That's my version of it. But Spider-Man 94 as six flat, you know? But there it is. There it is. I had like, when I found them, there's a lot more comics. There's like a small bin, but they were all basically, some were this grade, some were basically so basically these were like the ranges of the bin from 6.0 to 1.8. That's how the books were. And a lot of the Spider-Mans were undamaged. But I sold them to pay for this and whatnot. But to re-go over a 6.5 Ghost Rider 8 pens, UK edition. Pens. X-Men number 15, 3.5. It was labeled as a 2.5. Cannot believe that. This is not from here. Fantastic Four 75, 5.5. Fantastic Four number 9 as a 1.8. Spider-Man 94 as a 6.0. And it's funny, I knew this was going to be like that type of grade, but I didn't know rather it was going to be like a 4. It was going to be, I was thinking it was going to be like from a 4 to a 5 type of deal. But to get a 6, Hulk number 4 as a 1.5. Ghost Rider number 1, 3.0. You know what's funny? My Marvel Spotlight 5 is a 3.0, dude. A 3.0, so they're matching grades. Strange Tales 118 as a 3.0. And the biggest W out of the lot, I don't care. But third appearance of Doctor Doom as a 1.8. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, make sure to like, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Bam.